Searching for the ideal investment avenue or the possibility of calling home sweet home, it is my pleasure to bring to you 30 Stanley Street here in Gympie. Conveniently situated in the heart of Gympie and within minutes to the local shops, sporting facilities and Centro shopping centre. A perfect single-level dual delivers a striking sense of privacy with a tasteful modern style which is set on an easy care 506 square metre parcel of land. Sitting high and dry with a location that falls central between the Sunshine Coast and Rainbow Beach. Completed with a tasteful renovation, this 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom residence is filled with modern features that are sealed with a dash of originality throughout. No expense has been left unturned. From soft close cabinetry to stunning fireplaces, this property is a complete standout. With the plus of the additional sunroom, creates great versatility to work from home. So if you've found home sweet home, then I look forward to seeing you at our first private inspection.